First step topic. Let's start. Choose a clear, focused topic for your ebook. First of all, I am not recommending fiction because ChatGPT can do it better. Let's look at the first prompt. I want to write an ebook on a nonfiction topic. What topics are included in nonfiction books? Write 10 pieces. Let's look at the 10 topics. Here's history, science, self-help, personal development, biography, autobiography, travel, business, entrepreneurship, psychology, politics, current affairs, cooking food, and memoirs. Let's pick one. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to kick off an exciting series that's been buzzing in the world of digital publishing and artificial intelligence, how to write ebooks with ChatGPT. If you've ever dreamed of becoming an author or are looking to streamline your ebook creation process, you're in the right place. In this series, I'm going to explore the revolutionary approach to writing ebooks using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that's changing the game for writers and content creators like us. Writing ebooks can be a daunting task, from brainstorming ideas to drafting and editing. However, with the advent of AI technologies like ChatGPT, the process has become more accessible and efficient. Whether I'm a seasoned writer or a newcomer to the scene, how to write ebooks with ChatGPT will provide me with valuable insights and step-by-step guidance on leveraging this AI to craft compelling, high-quality ebooks. Throughout this series, I'll cover everything you need to know about writing ebooks with ChatGPT, from setting up my AI writing assistant to generating content that captivates our audience. I'll also share my tips and tricks on optimizing the writing process, ensuring that our ebooks stand out in a crowded digital landscape. So why use ChatGPT for writing ebooks? The answer is simple. ChatGPT offers unparalleled efficiency, creativity, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to publish ebooks quickly and with high quality. By the end of this series, How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT, I'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to harness the power of AI in my writing endeavors. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest videos in this series. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of writing ebooks with ChatGPT. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how to write ebooks with ChatGPT and discover how we can transform our writing process and achieve our publishing goals with ease. Second step, theme genre. My choice now, business entrepreneurial topic. Second prompt. I would like to write an ebook on a business entrepreneurial topic. Write 10 pieces from the theme genre. Let's look at the 10 topics. Startup success strategies, mastering digital marketing, mastering e-commerce, financial management for entrepreneurs, leadership and management, the art of negotiation, building your personal brand, innovation and creativity in business, work-life balance for entrepreneurs, and finally, growing your business. These are all relevant in the 21st century. Third step, address generation. Innovation and creativity in business, that sounds good. Let's continue. Third prompt. I chose the topic innovation and creativity in business life. Please write 10 fictional book titles. Let's see the 10 titles. 1. Unleashing the Creative Spark, Innovative Strategies for Business Success. 2. The Innovation Code, Unleashing Creativity in the Workplace. 3. Creative Disruption, How to Innovate and Thrive in a Fast-Changing World. 4. The Art of Business Innovation, Developing Creativity for Competitive Advantage. 5. Innovate or Perish, Navigating the New Landscape of Business Creativity. 6. The Creative Entrepreneur, Innovation for Sustainable Growth. 7. Out-of-the-box thinking, Innovation Strategies in Business. 8. The Innovation Mindset, Cultivating Creativity in the Corporate Culture. 9. Bold Ideas, Big Impact, Harnessing Creativity to Drive Business Transformation. And finally, 10. Innovation Revolution, Charting the Direction of Creative Excellence in Business. Fourth step, content generation. All 10 could be written down because they are very good. I choose the sixth one. The Creative Entrepreneur, Innovation for Sustainable Growth. Fourth prompt. I chose the title The Creative Entrepreneur, Innovation for Sustainable Growth. Write the table of contents. The table of contents is ready. In our next video series, we'll show you step by step how you can apply this structure to create a 100+ page book. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and press the bell to be notified of more exciting content. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Until then, stay inspired. Hello.